It has been 2 weeks since I posted the video about this mini ecosphere, so it's time for an update. Let's start with the most noticeable thing. There's a mosquito in this tiny little ecosphere, but it's not actually a mosquito, but a species of Chironomidae, a lake fly. I showed you when I made this ecosphere that I had found a Chironomidae larva, and I told you that I wasn't going to put it in here because I was afraid this might happen, but probably somehow a larva was in the dirt that I put in the jar and it managed to come out of its larva state. For a long time scientists believed that adult lake flies don't eat anything and that their sole purpose is to reproduce. However, now it is believed that some species do in fact feed as adults, but they don't need it to survive. So there's not really anything stopping this little lake fly from living a complete adult life, apart from a possible lack of oxygen. This is what it came out of. Some algae started to grow on the glass, as well as some string algae on the plants. And there's also a lot of tiny string algae on this tiny rock. The plants are doing great, and a few new blades of the aquarium grass actually started to grow. The cyclops are doing great as well. This one bumped into one of the legs of the lake fly. When I was watching this ecosphere with my macro lens, I suddenly saw a baby ostracod, something I've never seen before. Probably because I wouldn't be able to see it with the naked eye. This is without a doubt the smallest living creature I have ever seen in an ecosphere. Conveniently enough, an adult ostracod came into the picture as a good size comparison. He's about half a millimeter long, so the baby ostracod is just unbelievably small. We didn't start out with a whole lot of ostracods in this ecosphere, but the ones that are in here are doing well, and as we just saw, reproducing. So that's what's been going on in the mini ecosphere. If you want to see more updates and other projects, well, you're going to have to subscribe. Thanks for watching.